Are you ready to unleash your creativity making jewellery? Create precious personalised gifts with 100% recycled silver and gold. Develop your skill set with our projects, videos and expert knowledge. Enjoy a flexible and rewarding hobby with our fast and efficient shipping. Relax and unwind with our affordable range of tools, gemstones and materials.